Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM card into this phone. Now for this you will need a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. So let's get our SIM tool and pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, as you can see next to the charging. So right over here. Now make sure you pick the correct insert pin right here. You have two, so you have the one that is closer to the USB-C charging port, and then you have the one that is further. You want to pick the one further part of the tray. Push the pin in, and as you can see, the tray pops out just ever so slightly, enough for you to take it out. Now on the tray you have space for two different SIM cards on either side, so occupy whichever one you want. You can occupy obviously both of them if you want to. There we go. And from there, let's pop it back into our phone. And as you can see, the card is already working. It's asking me to put in my SIM pin. So I'll do that, and that will unlock my card. Assuming I put it in correctly. There we go. And that is how you would insert your SIM card. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.